Welcome to my new HTML tutorial. Today we will use all what we learned from last 9 videos about HTML. Let's start. I have created HTML page. Now I will add standard HTML structure which contains HTML element and body element. I will save this first. Next, I will create head element. Inside head element, I will insert title element here, which specifies a title for the HTML page, which is shown in the browser's title bar or in the Pages tab. For example, I will write HTML Recap Part 1. Do you remember HTML comments? Let's write one. So, this is comment. Now I will apply background color to our whole page. The tag is BG color and value is 9C898E. Next, I will create heading 1. I will set font color to white and write some text. Run to see what we got. Background color is changed, color of text is white, and we have title on tab page. Great! Now I will create heading 2 element with font element. I will write welcome to my YouTube tutorial. Let's set word YouTube to be italic and bold. I will just add BR tag for the new line. Next, I will write text please subscribe, and I will mark word subscribe. I will use mark tag. And follow me on Instagram. I will link word Instagram. The tag is A and attribute for URL is ref. I will put URL to Instagram login page. Now, change all this text to be white and with font face Helvetica. Run to see what we got. Okay. For the end, insert a picture to page. The tag is IMG and attribute is SRC, source. I have picture named HTML1.png in my folder images. And I will set the width and height to 300 pixels. Also, I will add attribute alternative, ALT. The value of this attribute is shown when our picture can't be loaded on our page for some reason. Run this. Okay. Now I will change the name of the picture by adding some letters. If we run the code, picture is not shown, but we have some alternative text. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.